Hello and welcome to my channel. When reassembling a repaired MIELE front loader washing machine, it is easy to forget the mechanical door release tab. Today I will show you how to rectify this in a couple of minutes. After finishing the repair job, the strainer compartment should ideally look like this. If you can't see the orange tab, then chances are that it is somewhere behind the front panel. The fix is pretty easy. I simply remove the outer door seal ring again, pull the door seal away so that I can access the door lock. I wiggle the door lock out and remove the orange tab. Now I push the small end through the slit in the top of the compartment, fish it out from the top, and here it is. The tab goes like this onto the door release mechanism on the back of the door lock. I need to turn the door lock 90 degrees to fit the tab on. The door lock goes back in its spot. The door seal goes back onto the front panel, and voila, here's a professional repair job. Don't forget to replace all screws and the door seal ring. If you like this video and it helped you fixing an appliance, then please subscribe to my channel or leave a nice comment.